Just look at this beautiful park, and this is the high time to visit this park in Calgary Northwest. Hey everyone, what's up? Today is Tuesday, 8th October 2024, and in this video I'm going to show you guys one of the best spots in Calgary to see the fall colors. And let's start the walk. Yes, this is the beautiful Calgary Bowness Park in Northwest Calgary, and it's a free entry, of course. And this is the high time if you are looking for to see the fall colors, take picture with the fall colors. This is the high time to see the fall colors in Bowness Park in Calgary. Wow. And this is the entrance of the park, and let's enter the park to see the fall colors. Oh my god, just look at the colors. Wow, that's so pretty. The other side of the park, this side is normally they have the Christmas tree and the parking. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Also, you can support this channel in a super chat, or you can become a member of my channel. So you can see there are so many parking lot on that side, and all are free parking lot. There is a cafeteria in the Bowness Park. I think normally weekend is always open. Actually, it's open, I can see. Let's check out. Yeah, it's open until 9 p.m. That's so nice. It's just beside the riverside. You can see inside is so many people enjoying. Look at this dock area. It's so pretty. I think I came here last winter. So over there is a trail, so we are going to the trail, of course. And there is a boat rental. I think boat rental is until 5 p.m. And of course you can bring your own paddle boat or canoe to boating here. Look at this beautiful spot I can find for the picture. So all the boat rental is over there. Wow, this looks so pretty. Oh, I can zoom it out a little bit. Oh, look at that! They're here. You can walk this trail is all around all over the park. It's Bowness Park because it's right beside the Bow River, that's why. And also there are so many picnic spot you can find. Whoa, look at this spot. Isn't it beautiful? It's so nice.
His sister was right there. A board. Watch, you can because it's not that big. Head down.
There is a train ride in the Bowness Park. You can see the train line here. Ooh. Nature is so pretty. I should come a little bit earlier. This is almost the sunset time. So if you're planning to come, please come early. So it's right now, it's almost 7 p.m. As you can see, it's already dark. But thank God today weather was so pretty. It's almost 20 degrees Celsius. It's a very nice park, and I think this is the last week for the all fall colors in Calgary. But we are still lucky that still we can see the green grass, yellow leaves. It's October 1st. This the riverside. Wow, it's so nice.